Alright, who wants to start? I don't care. Heads.
We didn't call anything.
I don't know. Alright, do it again. Tails. I didn't even flip the coin yet.
Oh.
Hey Siri, flip a coin.
Can you actually do that?
Heads.
Heads.
Okay, so what did we decide?
If we didn't.
This is a disaster. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of February 6th, 2026. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
My name's Mitchell. I'm a manager.
And this is a series where we go over the newsletter, go out into the studio, and show you guys all that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
I'm gonna start off with a new group that we have called Soulstice from Moda. This is a watercolor group. It is digitally printed, and we have pillowcase kits, the patterns, the 108-inch wide backings, the layer cakes, charm packs, and the full collection of yardage. Like I said, this is a very watercolor themed group, so you can expect patterns such as florals, leaves, garden glitter, stripes, petals, sprouts, tiny treasures, all in a wide color scheme of rainbow.
Ooh.
So basically any color you could want, it would be all covered in this group. You can soak up the sunshine with Soulstice.
Next up, I very much like this collection. I very much like the colors. It is called Veranda from Northcott. This is featuring 5-inch squares, panels, the Rose Gallery quilt kits, and the assorted yardage. We got patterns of florals, birds, leaves, and lattice prints in colors of turquoise, green, pink, and white. So, if you like the look of this collection, make sure to wander through the garden with Veranda.
Next up, we have a more darker colored group called Blackberry Bramble from Wilmington. With this, we have the 2.5-inch strips, the Crystal Cascade quilt kit, and the assorted yardage that goes along with that. With the name being Blackberry Bramble, you can expect different things such as florals, dots, and stripes. And like I said, with it being a little bit more dark, we have purples and blacks, but we also do have some creams in there, so you get a little bit of the lighter color to counteract with the darks. So if you're interested in checking out this collection, you can sweeten your stash with Blackberry Bramble.
All right, if you're a fan of flamingos, you're going to definitely love this collection. This is Crystal Breeze from Northcott. This is featuring pillowcase kits, fat quarter bundles, as well as assorted yardage. We got patterns of florals, flamingos, and foliage in colors of green, pink, and white. So make sure to take a walk on the beach with Crystal Breeze.
How do you feel about flamingos standing on one leg?
They stand on one leg?
Yeah. You didn't know? Wait, no. Yeah, flamingos stand on one leg.
Yeah, no, what they'll do?
Oh my
God.
They'll literally stand
Please
on one
be
leg
careful.
and pull the other leg up, and they'll just sit here like that. Next up, I want to highlight a bundle that I actually made. Just saying. Sea Glass Splash. I didn't even know the name of it. Next up, I want to highlight the Sea Glass Splash Blue and Green Fat Quarter Bundle. It's a splashy mix of ocean blues and sea glass greens. Of those 6 fat quarter bundles, they are all based off Northcott, so you can get different collections from Northcott in this group. It is regularly priced at $22.96, but we have it on sale for $18.96. This is an FWFS exclusive. That being said, usually these go very quickly, so if you are interested in checking out this bundle, make sure to check it out now before it goes. You can make waves with our Sea Glass Splash Blue-Green Fat Quarter Bundle. Oh yeah, I was making this one. Yeah, that one. Is that one already on there? Is that why you...
Wait, is that the same one?
No. That's a different one. That's gonna be coming out soon though.
Oh, whoops. Well, here is a special look at our next bundle.
It's exclusive. I'm folding this one right now as we speak.
Sorry, Jody. Yeehaw! Now we got Riders on the Range 5-inch squares from Wilmington. This is featuring classic Western prints with a fresh, easy to sew color mix of red, blue, cream, and browns. This is regularly priced at $11.96, but we got it on sale for $7.66. That's 36% off. So make sure to giddy up for savings with the Riders on the Range 5-inch squares.
Next up, as per usual, we want to highlight our 1-yard cuts. These are our 1-yard cuts. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab 1-yard cuts. That being said, these are coming in 1-yard cuts by themselves. So if you order multiple of them, you're going to get multiple separate 1-yard cuts. It's not going to be one continuous yardage. We are adding new 1-yard cuts all the time. So make sure you keep up with our website if you want to check out any of our 1-yard cuts. These are all discounted at $9.96. So it's going to be a little bit cheaper than your regular $12.96. So make sure to check these out. So if you're interested in checking these out, make sure to buzz on over to our website to get our 1-yard cuts.
Last but certainly certainly not least, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week. And this week it's actually comments of the week because we're going to read 4 of them. First, we have Barbara H2281 who says, "Thanks for another good video. Love the Valentine fabrics." First off, Barbara, thank you so much for always watching, always commenting. We love seeing you leave comments, and we also agree with you. We also very much love the Valentine's fabrics. You guys have been loving them too. They've been flying off the shelves. We can't keep up, but once again, thank you so much, Barbara, for checking out our videos and loving our fabrics.
Next up, I want to highlight from Margaret Lavinia 4634, who says, "I really like the Rosie fabric line too, as my baby sister's name is Rosie. It has beautiful shades of blue." Firstly, I want to thank you, Margaret, for always leaving comments and checking out our videos. We know you're also one of our main commenters, and we appreciate you always coming back and checking us out. We love reading your comments. As he said last week, he also loves the group Rosie. I do as well. I don't have anybody or thing around me named Rosie, sadly, but I do love that collection. I love the blues in it. So I want to thank you for this comment and always coming back.
Second to last comment, we have Quilt Meets World, who says, "The kitten bundle manager," reference to Clint, "has puppies. What do you think?" And
Who'da thunk?
Oh, who'da thunk? Oh.
Who'da thunk?
Who'da thunk? And I agree. Itty bitty K9 equals puppy. 100-pound K9 equals puppy. All doggos are puppies and all puppies are cute. Totally agree with you, Quilt Meets World. Like I said, I have 2 dogs. They are pretty decently sized dogs, like 60 to 70 pounds each. They whine like huge babies, and they're also so very cuddly and cute. I also call very big dogs puppies, because they are.
They really are.
Yeah.
All dogs are lovable, you know?
Oh, yeah,
Well,
absolutely.
not all, but majority of them.
Yeah.
Some of them can be a little mean. Lastly, I want to highlight a comment from Susan610 who says, "Do you sew, quilt, stitch? Have you made a quilt? I know men sew, but I was wondering if you've done anything." Firstly, I want to thank you for this comment. And then actually, we all kind of have done a quilt together. There's a video somewhere down on YouTube called The Jelly Roll Race to the Finish.
It'll be linked in the description.
Oh, yeah, I'll put it in the description. Where basically all the guys here at Fort Fabric Studio had a hand in the quilt. Now, some of them aren't here anymore, but everyone there did have a hand in that quilt. Outside of that, I've quilted, I think I've done 4 quilts now in total. However, I have been working here since 2009, so I feel like it's kind of been destined to quilt at some point. So yeah, I personally have put together 4 quilts at this point. He's helped with the one. So that being said, it's not like a common thing that we do, but we do enjoy to do it, obviously, especially being a quilt store.
Also, if you're interested in us doing something like that again, leave comments down below. We'd love to hear.
I wouldn't mind doing another
I wouldn't mind doing another one.
It'd be quite fun.
Yeah.
We have plenty of sewing machines here. We have plenty of thread. We have plenty of fabric, obviously.
Yeah.
So
we have a whole warehouse of it back there.
We could easily put together a quilt. If y'all are interested in that, just let us know. But I want to thank you so much for this comment and coming and checking out our video.
And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a comment down below. We love reading all the comments, even though we might not necessarily pick them. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. Links are down in the description below. We're posting almost daily short form vertical content. It's just extra content that you can go watch. So make sure you're checking those out. But with all that being said, we'll see you next week for another episode. Thank you so much for watching.
On that one, it was funny because you didn't say the ring the bell, so I went like this. You went straight to comment. You said leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. So
did I really?
Yeah, so whenever you did that, I was doing this for ring a bell, and you said, and leave a comment. I was like, you'll literally see in the video. I went.